ChatGPT can do all kinds of amazing things for work or for personal. ChatGPT 3.5 is the free version and is pretty damn good. ChatGPT 4 is the paid version and has all kinds of cool things, including plugins. Check it out. Want to create a song? Here we go. And just like that, your creativity has come back. Want to plan out a vacation? Here we go. And you don't need to worry about typos. What else can it do for you? Well, let's find out. Cool thing is, now ChatGPT has some little advice or examples right here. It can help you at work too. Let's try. We're going to create a job description. Once complete, you can also ask ChatGPT to help you create interview questions for this role, as well as SMART goals for this person who is hired for this role, setting them up for success. Want to know more cool things about ChatGPT? Connect with me, Wendy Sellers, the HR lady, on one of my many trainings that we will be doing for the business and HR person using ChatGPT to not lose their sanity. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any other topic that you want to hear from me on, let me know. You can drop me an email at wendy@thehrlady.com. You can check me out on LinkedIn, Wendy Sellers, the HR Lady, or connect with me on Instagram or YouTube as well. Take care, Wendy Sellers, the HR Lady.